AI is the next big thing in the industry, and Blender now has his own amazing AI render engine. In this tutorial I show you how you can use it to create very cool AI generated artwork. The first thing we're gonna do is we check out the AI render engine on Blender Market. You can download it for free, the link you find in the video description, and then just check it out and install it. Okay, just open the preferences here and go to add-ons and then look for the zip file, install, make a check here, and then open the panel here, click on the link to Dream Studio, register there, it's absolutely for free, and then get your API key, copy, get back to preferences and paste it here. Then click on save and load, and now we got it. Now we create a quick bowl here with a banana. This banana we duplicated 2 times. And then go to the settings here, enable AI render. We choose the size. We leave the text, but at first let's give some material to the object. Good, and now you see on top we have the render here, and we get this AI render here. You will see the result, okay? So then let's make a render, and then it takes a while. Now you can see it looks a little bit strange, and you know why? Because I didn't leave any text there. Okay, let's go there and leave the text here. This is a bowl with bananas on a table. Okay, and now let's click on render again. Let's see what's happened. Now you can see here the result looks more realistic, like bananas. Okay? Good, but here you can see here you can render it again with a different result. New image from last render or new image from last AI render. Let's see, let's give it a try. It looks now a little bit different. Okay, but now it looks like 4 bananas because I didn't write how many bananas are in the bowl, but first let's do it again here. You can see that it doesn't look so bad, but you can see only with very simple objects how you can turn them into a very nice image. And here we can change the style, can do it more realistic. Let's give it a try. Then we have to click again on render, okay, when we change the style from the image. That takes a little bit, takes much longer because it is more realistic. You can see it doesn't look so bad now. Good now. Let's try it again. Okay, that looks a little bit strange. Now we can change this a little bit here. Because the engine doesn't know we get 3 bananas here. Now let's see what's happened. Now you can see here we have 3 very clean bananas. Okay, now let's do it again with a different object. Now we make a teddy bear sitting on a chair. Okay, some material. Something really quick, and now get the text here. Click on render. You can see what an amazing result, okay? Now here we got some more options to smooth it out. Just have to try it out a little bit to play around with it. Now you can see we get a different lighting effect here in our teddy bear or our image. Okay, now one more time. Now we make an Eiffel Tower from Paris, but very simple, okay? Only like this, and with the ground, and place the camera. Okay, leave the information here. And then we can change a different style. Go then give it a try. It's working. And wow, that looks very great, amazing. With a primitive model like this, what we can do, you can see, really cool. And now you know from where you can get the AI render engine from Blender and how to use it. If you found this tutorial was helpful, then just give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you soon. Bye!
Ha ha ha.